Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Rava Laddu. So let's get started.
At first, heat some ghee in a pan. Next, add some cashew nuts and raisins. Fry them for a bit and also add 250 grams of semolina or rava and fry well until you get a nice aroma. Transfer it into a plate. For this, add 200 grams of powdered sugar, some ghee and mix well thoroughly. You can also add some cardamom for good flavor. For binding the mixture, add little warm milk and mix it well. Now, make round balls of any size of your choice. Our tasty and easy Rava Laddu is ready. You can store this for 2 to 3 days. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.